Hey guys, how are you? This is Sia. Just a quick little Bitcoin update. Before I start, please do like and subscribe. It encourages me to keep going and giving you some good analysis. We've been decently accurate so far. Been doing well in this consolidation on Bitcoin. What I wanted to share is that yes, this is a strong move and we've had a consolidation after. Generally, it gives a higher probability that a consolidation after a strong move becomes a continuation. I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to zoom straight into the 15-minute so we can see what we are looking at. Basically, yeah, it does look like quite a clean bear flag. We had a nice move to the upside. We took this liquidity at the weekly resistance level and had a strong rejection. We made that strong rejection last night. At the 4-hour resistance, we had another strong rejection. And we bounced right at the 618 level of this entire move. Also, it was a retest of this trend line, which was really clean. It's been tested quite a few times. It's a really nice trend line. So what I'm looking for right now is a correction of this move down. Basically just a correction of this move down. And I'm drawing out fibs to the possible places where I can see this correcting. I do have a small short still open from the about 87.50 level. I took off most of my shorts last night. I possibly have about 10% of it open. It's more like a hedge for any downside. And what I'm looking for is, since we've had this move up here, basically just looking for a correction of this move. It coincides really well. What I'm looking for, it coincides really well with this 4-hour resistance. So essentially, I'm looking for this to trade out of this channel and find support over here and test this key level 8600. And I'm giving this update because I think this level is really important. And the reaction from here is going to, for me, decide the directionality for BTC out of this range, out of this big range that we have been trading in for almost 20 days now. And what I want to see here, if I do want to take a short, I want to see it getting weak and possibly wicking to the upside and showing me some kind of a failure. So if I am looking for downside, I want to see something like this. I'm going to be taking this short here if this happens. And if over here we do find strength and to look to the upside, I want to start finding support on the 4-hour time frame above this 8600 level. So this is exactly what I'm going to be doing right now, guys. I'm going to be managing some risk here on this level and possibly day trading this all the way up to this 4-hour level 8600, and a failure of that, I'm going to be shorting. I believe that if this does fail, I think this bear flag pattern is going to be completed, and essentially we should definitely this time break down from this monthly support and at least head to this weekly support. There's a lot of liquidity here, so this will be my first target if we do fall out from here. And in the other direction, if we do move up, I think we could be hitting this monthly resistance level 92.50 if we do start finding support here. So currently I am looking to day trade this all the way up here. I do have some shorts from here. If we do find support here, I will close that small hedge that I have and I'll be looking to long this to the monthly resistance. A failure from here and I think we are looking down to sub 7500. That's all for me now, guys, and I'll see you soon again. Cheers. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and go ahead and share it with someone else. And if you have any questions about what we covered today, please leave them in the comments and I will be sure to get back to you or answer them in my next video. For more trading content and education, go ahead and click on the video on your right. Thanks for watching, guys, and cheers.